Woody Allen once famously said, "It's the second law of thermodynamics, sooner or later everything turns to shit." Life brings change, wanted or not. Globally, 1 million structures are demolished every year because they can't change. Some architects believe the future involves more flat pack and prefabricated structures. The thing is, prefabricated structures don't have the best reputation. They are rigid, generic, and you need a truck or hurricane to move them. They can cost a small fortune, and not always because quality materials are used to construct them. It's the hundreds of hours of skilled labor involved to manufacture just one unit. Ultimately, prefabricated structures only have a single function, unable to transform into anything else. Most are unsuitable for light infrastructure applications. Moving forward, we need a smarter plan. Kavitat isn't a prefab or a flat pack system, it's a low-cost, lightweight modular system that was specially designed for people in areas affected by climate change or conflict. Design and construct light structures and other systems such as smart farming and water catchment platforms without requiring skilled labor or heavy machinery. Structures that, when modified, can provide more than just shelter from the elements. The hollow tubes can act as a conduit for technology or be filled with materials to create thermal and acoustic barriers. Thanks to the adaptive end caps, they can even be filled with air, enabling buoyancy for marine applications. By reusing available materials, we can help preserve natural habitats and reduce the amount of waste entering the oceans, waterways, and food chain. Are you an ethical benefactor? Visit Kavitat.com to see how you could positively impact your local ecology and economy. Kavitat, a triple impact project.